I hear the chopper circling around again.
I got Air Force.
No, not yet.
I can shoot it.
When I run, you run. Behind the excavator. Ready? Set. Go!
Go!
Zombie dog.
Don't mind her. She doesn't see us.
Yes, she does. She's right there.
Alright, follow me. Ryan! Ryan, what happened? His arms all black from the zombie poison.
Get back to base. We might have something.
Yeah. Alright. We have to test them. I'm scared.
Close the door. Close the door.
Stay away from him.
Get him on.
Are you a zombie?
No, get him on. Get him on the table. Get him on the table.
On the table.
Okay, get the guns out. No, lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
Lie down. Okay. Let me see your arm. Let me see your arm. Dark infected. Look, right there. Oh, the zombie poison dart is running through his brains. Okay. This will probably kill you. If it doesn't,
You're dead.
I don't think you're gonna make it.
And you're a zombie.
2, 1. Did it work? I think so. Let me see your arms.
Still going.
Still going. Oh no. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
No.
Still going.
We're gonna have to shoot him.
No. One more. 3, 2, 1. No. 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 No.
He's becoming a zombie. We gotta shoot him now. That's enough. That's enough.
His neck goes to all veins.
Grenade. Let's throw a grenade.
No.
Not in our base.
It'll just blow up. He's dead.
I'll just stick it down his throat. I'll just stick it down.
Sean, I guess you're captain now.
I'm captain. I need smaller guns.
Here. I think captain would have wanted you to have these.
Okay. Go outside. I'll meet you there. Yeah, he's dead. I'll meet you outside.
Okay.
Come on.
Are you sure you'll be okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Come on.
Let's go. Okay. Okay, here's those steps. How get up here?
Okay. No, I will. We're shouting about. No, I'm behind the rock.
Okay.
I hear a zombie dog.
Just keep going. Push through. We can make it. Front yard. I'm pretty sure they're guarding the front yard like crazy. Sean.
So what are we gonna do? You guys have any ideas?
You're captain. You're captain. You decide.
We go infiltrate the base.
Well, we don't even know where their base is.
We'll find it.
When I was in there,
You weren't even in there.
when I was in there, his last words were, I know where his base is. But he said, he didn't make it out. It was all mumbly. Alright, we're gonna wing it. Let's go.
Go.
One of the zombie dogs. I'm gonna take it. Remind me where this is. Right behind there.
Why you just kidding? Oh, you never knew. You forgot the glasses.
I don't want this one. So, special person would
Take it.
like we did last time. Go prone, but go over there under the deck, okay? I'll tell you when to go.
I go second.
Go, go, go. You think the chopper knows where we are?
No.
Probably knows where all of the U.S. Army is. So, here's the hike.
Pure ice.
It's us. There's no snow on the ground, but
It's ice.
it's cold.
Can't even.
And we're gonna live the rest of our days
Like this.
hiding, practically.
It's sad when you think about it.
Yeah.
What?
Hiding for the rest of our lives.